Hello and welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you how you can generate a new video using a script. We have written this script using ChatGPT, and we will give this script to a new AI tool called Fliki, and it will generate the whole video automatically, and it will also add voiceover. So first of all, let's see the tutorial.
From the left panel, click on New File button. Enter the name of the file and select if it is audio or video and hit Create. This brings you to the script-based editor. Hit play on the section to see how it works. Click on the voice name to select a different voice. Filter by language, dialect, gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, click on the voice and hit select. Start typing in or paste your content. To import from a published blog article, click on the More button and select Import from URL. Paste in your blog article URL and hit Submit. Add media to your section by clicking on the thumbnail icon. Search for the image or video clip in our stock library. To upload custom media, select the My Library tab and click on Choose File and upload your media. Hit play in the bottom player to see a preview of the video. To change video format, font style, size, color, position, click on File Settings. Select Add Subtitles and customize based on preference and hit Save. Highlight text to get options to increase speed, pitch of the voice, or to add pauses. Add background music by selecting More and click on Background Music. Hit Choose File and search or upload background music. Once complete, you can set the volume of the music and hit Save. Finally, if you're happy with the preview, go ahead and hit Export and confirm. This will typically take a few minutes to process. You'll get a mail once the video is rendered. Sit back and watch your video. Your video is ready to download and share. This video was created using Fliki, with the voice of Sarah.